Welcome, young learners, to Reading Readiness Centers, where we embark on incredible journeys of discovery. Today, we are diving headfirst into the captivating world of matter. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's get started. To begin, let's ponder the question, what is matter? Well, the matter is simply everything around us. It's the very substance that forms our world, whether it's the water we drink, the air we breathe, or even you and me. So, we can say that matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. State of matter. Matter comes in three primary forms: solids, liquids, and gases. Our first stop is solids. Solids are characterized by their fixed shapes and resistance to change. Moving on to liquids. Unlike solids, liquids can flow and change shape. They don't have a set form. Lastly, we have gases. Gases are all around us, although they are invisible. They are the very air we breathe. Matter has different properties that can be used to describe it. Color. Matter can be of different colors. For example, a banana is yellow, while an apple is red. Shape. Matter can have different shapes. For example, a ball has a round shape, while a book has a rectangular shape. Size. Matter can be of different sizes. For example, an ant is very small, while a whale is very large. Texture. Matter can have different textures. For example, sand is rough, while water is smooth. Density. Density is how much mass is packed into a certain volume of matter. For example, gold is denser than water, which means that a gold object will sink in water. Magnetism. Some materials are magnetic, which means that they can be attracted to magnets. For example, iron is a magnetic material. Solubility. Solubility is how well a substance dissolves in another substance. For example, sugar dissolves easily in water, but sand does not dissolve in water. Now, let's delve into changes matter can undergo. Matter is quite the shapeshifter. It can change in various ways. Matter can change its state, shape, or size. These changes are called changes of matter. Changes of matter can be physical or chemical. Physical changes. Physical changes are changes that do not change the identity of the matter. It only changes its form. Examples of physical changes. Melting. Melting is when a solid changes to a liquid. For example, ice melts into water. Freezing. Freezing is when a liquid changes to a solid. For example, water freezes into ice. Boiling. Boiling is when a liquid changes to a gas. For example, water boils and turns into steam. Condensation. Condensation is when a gas changes to a liquid. For example, steam condenses on a cold window and turns into water droplets. Evaporation. Evaporation is when a liquid changes to a gas without boiling. For example, water evaporates from a puddle on a hot day. Compression. Compression is when a solid or liquid is squeezed into a smaller space. For example, when you squeeze a sponge, you are compressing it. Expansion. Expansion is when a solid or liquid expands and takes up more space. For example, when you heat a metal spoon, it expands. Chemical changes. Chemical changes are changes that change the identity of the matter. A chemical change forms a new product. Examples of chemical changes. Burning wood is a chemical change because the wood is transformed into ash and smoke. Rotting of a fruit or vegetable. Rusting an iron. Digestion of food in the stomach. Baking a cake. Cooking an egg. To recap, Remember that matter surrounds us in various forms: solids, liquids, and gases. It also has the incredible ability to change, either through physical changes that alter its appearance or chemical changes that result in entirely new substances. That concludes our exciting journey through the properties and changes of matter. I hope you've had as much fun as I have. Before we bid farewell, please remember to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends so they can join the adventure. And don't forget to subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more thrilling educational content. Thank you for joining us today, and I can't wait to see you next time for more thrilling journeys into the world of knowledge.